A is for armadillo. The armadillo has a tough, tank-like shell, which when he is rolled up protects him from predators. B is for baboon. The baboon is a member of the primate family and, as you can see, has a brightly colored nose. C is for crocodile. The crocodile has very strong jaws and sharp teeth for helping to eat its daily meals. D is for dolphin. The dolphin is able to swim gracefully through the water because of his smooth skin and numerous fins. E is for elephant. The elephant has a long trunk which helps him drink water and reach leaves in tall trees to eat. F is for flamingo. Most flamingos you see are pink, but their babies are actually born gray and white, and their color comes later. G is for gorilla. Gorillas are the largest living primates of the entire primate family. H is for hippopotamus. A hippopotamus's eyes, ears, and nose sit above the water while the rest of its body lies submerged beneath it, protecting it from predators and making it harder to see. I is for ibis. The ibis are a group of long-legged wading birds who have long curved bills that help them probe the mud for food. J is for jaguar. The jaguar can live to be almost 17 years old. K is for kangaroo. The kangaroo's baby is called a joey and spends most of its early years inside its mother's pouch. L is for lion. The lion is the most commonly recognized animal because he is known as the king of the animal kingdom. M is for mouse. Mice are most popular because they can be kept as household pets. N is for nurse shark. The nurse shark is a bottom-dwelling sea creature that is harmless unless provoked. octopus. The octopus has 8 tentacles which have tiny suction cups on the bottom which help them stick to the rocks and the seafloor at the bottom of the ocean. P is for penguin. The fun fact about penguins is that they actually mate for life. Q is for quail. The quail is recognized by its tiny plume on its head and also for being a rare delicacy at most fancy restaurants. R is for raccoon. The raccoon is most identified by the mask that it wears on its face around its eyes. S is for scorpion. The scorpion lives in the desert and is most recognizable by the pincers at the front of its claws and the sharp needle-like point at the end of its tail. T is for tiger. A tiger's stripes are what make it blend in with its surrounding while hunting prey in the wild. U is for urchin. This tiny street creature's body is covered entirely with spines, which protect it from fish that want to eat it. V is for vulture. Vulture's diet consists of mainly decomposing or dead animals that they scavenge for throughout their land. W is for whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the sea, reaching lengths of more than 40 feet. X is for xenops. The xenops is a small bird that lives in the rainforest and measures only about 5 inches in length. Y is for yak. The yak most closely resembles that of a cow because of its horns and appearance, other than its shaggy fur which surrounds its body to help protect it from the weather. Z is for zebra and is also a relative of the cow. However, it usually lives in desert climates or dry climates where water is scarce.